Hello Sportyfriends admin. In this video I will show you how you can take attendance on your activity and how you easily get in contact with the people who have signed up for the activities. First, we find the activity and then click on the name. I have highlighted where you can see the number of people who have signed up. If you click on the three dots, you will also see who have signed up for the event. If you click on their name, you can delete the person from the activity. This is not something I want to do, and therefore I click on close. We then click on attendance and you will see the people who have signed up for the activity. If you click on the name, they will get a check mark as in they have attended the event. Next, I will show you how to send emails to all the participants in the activity. If you scroll down on the activity, you will see an icon that looks like a letter. Once we click on the icon, we get an option to send an email to all participants, where we can select a few people. You then have a few options of when you want the email to be sent, either right away or a few days before the activity starts. Then you have to write the message and click send. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed it.